solve 4x times x minus 2 minus 3x times x plus 1 equals negative 18. We will multiply. We have 4x squared minus 8x minus 3x squared minus 3x equals negative 18. Let's simplify, and since we're going to have an x squared term, we'll get a 0 on one side of the equation as well. 4x squared minus 3x squared is x squared. Minus 8x minus 3x is minus 11x. And then we'll add 18 to both sides, and it gives us plus 18 equals 0. We have a quadratic equation, and we can factor this one. So let's factor and use the principle of zero products. That gives us x minus 2 times x minus 9 equals 0. Setting each factor equal to 0, we have x minus 2 equals 0, or x minus 9 equals 0, which tells us that x equals 2 or x equals 9. And we could substitute 2 and 9 in the original equation and find that they would make that equation true. So we can then state that the solutions are 2 and 9.